Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These will help you safely open your laptop and handle the components without causing any damage. First, power off your HP 15D-0031NS and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will prevent any accidental power on during the upgrade. Next, place your laptop on a clean, flat surface to avoid any scratches or damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them to reassemble the laptop later. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid breaking any clips. With the back panel removed, locate the RAM slots. You should see 1 or 2 slots depending on your current configuration. If you are upgrading, you may need to remove the existing RAM module. To do this, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM module away from it. The module should pop up at an angle, allowing you to remove it easily. Now, take your new RAM module and align it with the slot. Ensure the notch on the RAM module matches the key in the slot. Insert the RAM at a 30-degree angle and press down firmly until the clips click into place, securing the module. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Once you've completed the upgrade and cleaning, carefully replace the back panel. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Now, reinsert the battery if you removed it, and connect your laptop to the power source. Power on your HP 15DA0031NS and check if the new RAM is recognized. You can do this by right-clicking on this PC, selecting Properties, and checking the installed memory. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop professionally diagnosed without obligation. Our service includes a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Plus, with no calls and no travel, it's a hassle-free experience. Congratulations! You have successfully upgraded the RAM in your HP 15D-0031NS. This enhancement should provide a noticeable improvement in performance, especially when multitasking or running demanding applications. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.